Diabetes Freedom is a stepwise program that details you on how you can get relief from the symptoms of diabetes. This plan has been designed by experienced experts by thoroughly studying research works coming from the best institutions such as Harvard. All the things that this program teaches you are completely natural. This ensures that it helps to deal with diabetes in a safe manner without causing any nasty side effects. Welcome to the Guardian's Choice Diabetes Freedom Review. Are you tired of all fake reviews on diabetes freedom? Don't worry. Check out this review that will reveal what's inside it, how it works, its pros and cons, and lot more. This review will change your buying decision. Check out the link from the description and visit the official website. Here you can get complete access to Diabetes Freedom program for the discounted price now. Hey everyone, thanks for stopping to check out my Diabetes Freedom review and learn what the program by George Riley is all about. If you believe you will able to reverse your diabetes with medicines and insulin shots, then you are highly mistaken. It makes me so angry only thinking why more and more Americans are getting into this diabetes trap even after on average, we Americans are consuming less sugar than before. The mere fact is, the government that should protect us is withholding crucial information from us and letting us fall into the money trap of the multi-billion pharmaceutical industry. Anyway, let's cut the chase. What is diabetes freedom all about? Diabetes freedom teaches how to flush out the root cause of diabetes and fat, that is the ceramide compound. Scientists of the University of Utah, Emory University School of Medicine, Atlanta, and Diabetologia Journal discovered that the level of ceramide was very high in all people with diabetes they've tested in their research. So, flushing out this toxic molecule makes sense. It includes a three-step approach that makes it easy to do it. And because these three steps are entirely natural, and they not only help you to reverse diabetes, but also help you lose weight, this is something you should not miss out. Many people reversed their diabetes and stopped using diabetes medicines. You can also do it. How does Diabetes Freedom program work? Step 1. The Pancreas Restart Plan, Temporary Nutrition Plan. The primary objective of this plan is to target and destroy fat cells. This nutrition plan provides a restart to your pancreas that gives a good boost for losing weight. Once you follow this plan for 2 weeks, your pancreas will start working and your body will regulate blood sugar without any help. This nutrition plan is easy and you don't need to make unrealistic changes in your daily routine. You can enjoy delicious food while all the good things will happen in your body. This section provides a detailed plan to detox the liver and flush out toxins from the body. This detox plan includes 5 powerful teas that also melt fat cells and beat food cravings. Step 2. Brown Fat Boosting Blueprint. Inside the video section, you will get a 2-minute routine that will help you to remain on the top of your fat-burning game. This 2-minute routine is simple and doesn't need any special equipment. You can also perform this routine in your home without any expensive or complicated workout equipment. These movements work for anyone regardless of your fitness level, and anyone can do them with minimal effects. Step 3. Meal Timing. These meal timings designed to reverse diabetes type 2. Many people don't know that one of the significant rules of defeating diabetes is eating the right food at the right time. This section contains a 60-second breakfast tricks to help you stay full and active all day. This breakfast meal includes healthy and tasty snacks to keep you satisfied. A dessert section also included in this step that you can use without feeling bad. Check out the link from the description and visit the official website. Here you can get complete access to Diabetes Freedom program for the discounted price now. 6 things I like most in Diabetes Freedom. 1. Helps in controlling blood sugar naturally. Many studies have shown numerous diabetic patients able to keep their blood sugar level in a normal level with the help of dietary changes in losing weight. You can also work closely with a nutritionist or doctor to set up a proper plan for you, or you can use strategies and plans provided inside the Diabetes Freedom program to make changes in your life and control your blood sugar levels. Easy nutrition plan that you can follow. A good and healthy nutrition plan should not make you feel restricted and deprived. You don't need to completely cut off carbs from your life to make impressive dietary changes. The nutrition plan you will get inside this program is divided into 3 parts and include meal timing strategies and meal plans. It is easier to stick with this nutrition plan and get results quickly. 3. Helps in weight loss. This is the most important benefit I like in this program. When I was overweight, I lost 15 pounds in a month just by making some dietary changes in my diet and without exercise. You may lose some pounds by using nutrition plan provided in the Diabetes Freedom. According to Johns Hopkins Medicines, losing just 5 to 10% of the body weight can provide a positive impact on the blood sugar level and lower the risk of diabetes by 58%. 4. Freedom from medicines and shots. We all know diabetes medicines and insulin shots are just a temporary fix to normalize blood sugar, and the long-term use of these medicines create many negative effects on the body. For example, a popular diabetes medicine, metformin, causes kidney problems, metal taste, and dizziness. Similarly, insulin shots can drop a person's sugar level to an extremely low level, which is dangerous and needs to be treated immediately. 5. Good testing period. You will have 60 days to test this program and see if it helps you or not. Within these 60 days, if you don't see any positive changes in your body or in your blood sugar level, or if you don't like it for any reason, you can get your full money back. To get your money back, all you have to do is to send a single email with the title "Refund", and you will get a list of few steps that help you to get your money back within 24 hours. 6. Cost of the program. Originally, Diabetes Freedom was priced at $77. However, you can purchase it at a discounted price right now. Currently, it is available for $37 only. There is also a 60-day-long money-back guarantee that backs your purchase. This is a huge benefit for people who are interested in this program and want to try it out. However, we don't know how long the author will continue to offer this discount. Even without this discount, we feel that Diabetes Freedom delivers more than its actual value. And don't forget, you get 4 VIP bonuses if you get it now.